I'm more in central Kenya now. I'm out of the desert, things are growing, there's some mountains. It's great. I really like it. It's really different from Ethiopia. Tomorrow's a big push. It's about 110k to Nanyuki, where I have a contact. There's the city, that's Isiolo, and then above it, up in the clouds, I don't know for sure, but I think that's Mount Kenya. Just the position of it makes sense, and it's the highest mountain around by far, so. Today's been hell. Oh, since Isiolo, it's just been climbing. Oh, it's really taking a toll on me, I'm exhausted. Right now I'm flanking the western slopes of Mount Kenya. Mount Kenya is the highest mountain in Kenya. It's the second highest in Africa. So here I'm at the entrance to Mount Kenya National Park. We took a car up from the hotel. There was just really no other option. I thought, I'd had a discussion with them about coming up here by bicycle, but it's just not possible. So we have a short day today, only 9 kilometers of hiking, and we're already at 2,600 meters. So even that 9K might still feel, a lot longer because we're all going to be adjusting as we go up. It's nice out here, There's really no other hikers that I've seen. They don't care that I went ahead, so right now it's like, feels like I have all of Mount Kenya to myself. That's pretty cool. How you doing?
I'm fine, and you?
Good.
You sleep well?
Yeah.
Hi. How you doing?
This is the second day of Mount Kenya. We're still at Camp 1. We're at 3,300 meters. And already it is cold, man. It's beautiful out here. It's just this great mix of green vegetation and ice and rock up high. Oh, it's wonderful. This is one of the most beautiful places I've seen in Africa. My feet kind of hurt from hiking because for the last, almost 3 weeks solid, I've been on the bike. I haven't been walking or putting much stress on my feet, certainly not wearing boots, so I need to walk around in my boots a bit more, toughen up my feet, and that'll make Kilimanjaro a lot easier. Also, my sense of balance isn't very good, and I think that's from my feet being strapped into the pedals all the time. I'm literally standing on the equator and it's hailing. There is ice coming down on my head. $4,500 meters right now, over 14,000 feet. Whew, it's cold. We've been on one side of the summit this whole time, so now we're actually gonna go around to the other side and get to see from the back. Me and a couple guides and porters and a few other climbers were all at camp together, and we are the highest people in all of Kenya right now. I'm feeling good physically. I have a little bit of a blister forming on my foot. Had a little headache when I came into camp, but that has since gone without taking any aspirin. It just went away, which is good because I was hoping it wasn't going to be, altitude sickness. This is higher than I've ever gone. I don't know how my body's going to react.
are you?
Hey.
Everybody okay?
Yeah.
I couldn't get the sunrise. I missed it. I don't even miss it like that. It's just my camera was too bright.
How's he doing, the old man?
They're just standing around.
Oh, what does anything?
Ja.
We denken denk ik.
Right now what I'm walking over is a hilltop that has had a wildfire. This fire was big. This whole hilltop is just torched. I've had this thought before, but today it was really hard to shake this thought that I just want to go home. We're going to Nanyuki tomorrow. I could be at the base of Kilimanjaro in less than a week. So the whole expedition could be over in 2 weeks if I just push through it all. In some ways it's satisfying to know that I can do this myself, but I'd rather have a friend here. I'm just really lonely, you know? I meet people, but, you know, and I connect with them, but it's all for a short time. I mean, I've been in Africa about 27 months now. And even before, when the 2 years before Peace Corps, I lived in the States, but I didn't live in Buffalo. I was, you know, different jobs, West Coast and in the Midwest, so I haven't really been home in a very long time. That's how I'm feeling today. It's the strongest I've felt this. I'm not gonna be hasty. I'm not gonna, you know, go back to Nanyuki tomorrow, book a flight. I'm gonna sit on it for a day or two. I'm gonna see if, you know, I wake up tomorrow as a new day, see what my attitude is and what my mindset is. Maybe it'll completely change.